These are wonderful ladies. I'm extremely proud of them. And not out of the blue. This lady is okay. I've never told her openly, but she's a workaholic lady. Workaholic. She's a what? Workaholic lady. Workaholic. Talks less, but that's a lot. She's a silent burner. Can burn anything, but silently, without making a lot of noise. You know, Dr. Opio, is it Opio? Yes. This is the woman, okay? You know her, you know the detail. But to bring and sustain the district department of health up to where it is only good. Oh, the water. And the water, very, very abundant. So, sister, what I pray for you, not money, peace of what? Mind. Wherever you go, whatever you are doing, you should have what? Peace of mind. Wouldn't be the Lotino. Wouldn't be the Lotino. I made a joke of pool, Bessie, and a chair. I will melt on my deep, which I'm a Karawa. Eto, there is actually the people doing more pool. Won't come out, you have been guy. The chairperson, management committee. Chairalian, yo. So, get a tear in the Kube, came making more warren, more making an Maggie no content. It is a joy, You pull Bessie and a chair. And I tell the farmer near the Furio. I'm a mouth on one, but don't go and win me winter. You pull the joy. Full of it, I find me everything. Yeah, I don't hear what to do. So we are going to give, I'm going to give you a big talk. Eat it, rejoice, and have peace of mind, because my prayers to God is that you should have what? Peace of mind. I rest my case, you can go and what? Sit down. Peter, which you are wire. Maro down, Maro kitchen. This is the personification of working with minimum supervision. If you're looking for someone who works without or with the minimum, the very minimum supervision, that is Dr. What? Samantha. So, NPK deal and dear teach. Nothing dear teach and teach and take. Nothing and teach deal. It is care of me teach. You get along and you. Then one again you come. Again, ma, Baumedi you come. Under retiring or and tell what you done. What you made me teach. Look for internet, comes when I tell me big John Pijumo, would be charity, the charity can be ma, Echo, put your carry away the mirror,